Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very good. This video will be very interesting because in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a project bundle in ATLAS.ti that can be shared with the people who are using other qualitative data analysis tools. So let me open the project. This is my project, and in the previous video I told you that you can simply export your project as a project bundle and share it with the people who are using ATLAS.ti. Now using this feature, you can create a project bundle and share it with the people who are using other softwares. So in this particular video, I will create a project bundle and then I will import this project bundle into NVIVO so that you could see the entire process of creating the project bundle and also importing this project bundle into NVIVO. Alright, to create the project bundle, I just click QDPX project bundle. Alright, I will save this file in drive F. Alright, now the project bundle has been created and ATLAS.ti also shows a report on the screen. Basically, these reports are minor issues and you can simply ignore them, but the good idea here, or the good practice, is that you just save the report and later you review this report. So I just saved this report. Alright, now the project bundle has been created and this is my drive F. Here you can see the export report, the file that I told you to save it and review it later. And this file and this folder are the outcome of the process of creating the project bundle. So in this folder you have the audio and the video file that I had already imported into my ATLAS.ti project. Alright, now let's import this project into NVIVO. So to open NVIVO, I just click on this icon. So okay, this is NVIVO 12 Plus, and I just click on open other project. Then from this list I select REFIQDA project or QDPX file. Remember, we created this type of file. So this is the file. Then I click open. Now I need to save the project in NVIVO somewhere in my computer. So I just click browse and then I just go to drive F. I create a new folder, Atlas NVIVO, and I save this file with this name, A. Okay, let me save it. I also tick this checkbox, and the other point, the last point, is that I have to locate the folder for those media files. So remember, the folder for the media files was saved in drive F, and this is that particular folder that was generated by ATLAS.ti. So I click OK. Now it's done. If I click convert, the project will be imported into NVIVO. Okay, so there is one error message. Let me view the error log. Alright, the content of document video file site C could not be read. Alright, basically the problem is that NVIVO doesn't support MP4 video files, and in my project in ATLAS.ti, I had imported this video file that is a MP4 file. So this video file cannot be read. But I know that the video file will be imported into NVIVO, but it cannot be read. So let me just click OK. Alright, now this is the project that we have in NVIVO. We have 11 documents here. As you can see, 11 items. In ATLAS.ti also we have 11 documents. Note that this video file cannot be played. So if I double click on that and then click on play, we cannot play that. So this is one issue. Now let's go to nodes. Alright, here you can see that I have 21 nodes, and if I go to ATLAS.ti, I have 21 codes. So code is something that in NVIVO is viewed as a node. I have all of the codes in ATLAS.ti now imported in NVIVO. So I have all of my 21 codes in NVIVO. With respect to quotations, alright, if you look at the codes in ATLAS.ti, you could see that we have groundedness and density values for each code. And the groundedness value means the number of the quotations connected to any of these codes. So for example, administration 1, the groundedness value is 3, for change it is 7, and for clinic it is 2. Now if I add these groundedness values, the result will be 65. So in fact, I have 65 connections between quotations and codes in my project in ATLAS.ti. And if I go to NVIVO and add the values under references column, the total value will be 65, which means that all the connections that I had in my project in ATLAS.ti between quotations and codes, I have all of those in my NVIVO project. Alright, the last point here is that although the video file cannot be read in NVIVO, but the good news is that the information related to the quotations within this particular video file have already been imported in NVIVO. So let me go back to ATLAS.ti and open this video file. Right. As you can see, we have 3 quotations that have been coded with a few codes in this video file. So one of the codes that have been assigned to one of the quotations in this video is the code goal. So, and the quotation, if I move my mouse here, you could see that the duration of this quotation is from second 7 to second 19. So if I go back to NVIVO and then if I click on nodes, and then if I double click on goal, the list of the references, or in other words, quotations connected to this node or in ATLAS.ti code are displayed here, sorry. And if I scroll down, I can see this particular quotation within the video file. So from second 7 to second 19 or 20. So I will have the information related to the video quotations, even though the video file itself could not be read by NVIVO. Alright, that's it. Hopefully you find this video useful, and in the next video I will talk to you about auto coding and focus group coding. Thank you very much.